So here we have our latest Zappi installation. It's a Myenergi 22 kilowatt on an EV block on a pedestal. You can see there we've got ductwork already in the ground, and Dean is there rolling out the 5-core SWA. Whilst Dean's busy getting that in the ground, I've got the Myenergi pedestal there, and I've sat it on top of the EV block aluminium plate, and I've marked up the fixing holes, and next we've got to drill them. You can see there I'm putting some cutting oil on just to make it all go through nice and easy. We then drill that out, ready for the bolts to hold the pedestal down to this EV block aluminium plate. You can see there we've got them all drilled, and now we've got the pedestal bolted onto it. This makes the installation of the pedestal really easy because that aluminium plate screws into the concrete block, as the concrete block already has precast threads. Next, Dean turns the power off the house so he can work on the board side, whilst I terminate the cable into the Zappi. Now Dean has got the Henry box in place, he's got the new tails over to our board, and now he's just torque driving the connections just to make sure there's no loose connections there. Within this board we've got 4-pole main switch, 100 amp, and we've got a triple pole B32 MCB. You can see this is the tethered version. That's all energized now and it's ready for the car. It also shows us what the home is consuming, which is about 5 kilowatts, and that's the job done. Beautiful little Zappi.